Hi guys, I thought I'd jump on and say this rather than write a post because there's so much I want to say and my fingers don't type fast enough. So I am going to be at the Love Tutoring Festival next week. It's the second one that I've been involved in and the second one ever, and it's going to be amazing. And this is why I think it's amazing, because it's got 75 hours of content, right, by different people. Now, I run an online school. I know how crazy it is when you've got so many sessions in a week, but we have the same teachers working day in, day out. We're talking about multiple different people coming in a week and delivering 75 hours of content, and I think most of those 75 hours are done by 75 different people, which is a crazy amount of work. And I'm involved in the CPD session on Tuesday morning at 9 o'clock, and that's going to be around branding, so guys, be there if you want to hear about branding. And I'm involved Monday evening on the podcast, which will be on diversity and inclusion, so I'm super looking forward to that and speaking to Ludo. I've been wanting to be interviewed by Ludo for a while, so we'll see how that goes. And then Friday it's going to be roundtable time, and I was involved in the roundtable last time, and it was an international roundtable, and it was brilliant. Like the questions, the conversations, the content, it was all really buzzing. And I regretted not being involved earlier on in the week, because when I experienced it on that Friday last time, it was superb. So if you're on the edge and you're not deciding, you're umming and eyeing, and you're like, I could take a few days off next week, or I could go to this, you have to see it live. The amount of energy, the questions that you can ask, the connections that you can make, and you can always catch up on the content, but there's something about being live at an event like that where you are going to regret it. You're going to be feeling FOMO if you don't join. So if you want to join and see what all the fuss is all about, then go to the Love Tutoring. You can just Google it, it's going to be everywhere, right? But if you go to qualifiedtutor.org, you'll be able to find all the Love Tutoring information there, and it's going to be amazing. So I look forward to seeing some of you guys there. Bye!